System of equations application. This time it deals with money. There are 36,000 people at the ball game. The day's receipts, all the money taken in, was this number, $279,000. How many people paid $13 for reserved seats? And how many paid $6 for general admission? So it seems to be asking how many people paid 13, how many paid 6. So that's how you. So there's your definitions of what X is and what Y is. The number of who paid $13 is X, and the number who paid $6 is Y. Now you have to set up two equations that use those. So you have 36,000 total people, and this X is the number of people who paid, and this Y is the number of people who paid. So people plus people is total people. So that's one equation. X plus Y people adds up to the total people. And the other equation must deal with this total of money. So this is a people equation. Now we need a money one. Money. So if X people paid $13, then the money that was received from those X people is 13X dollars. So if one person pays $13, they would have made $13. If two people would have paid $13, then $26 would have been taken in. If X people pay $13, then 13X dollars are taken in. So this is money. And on the Y side, how many people paid 6? Y number of people paid 6. So the money taken in total is 6Y. $6 for each of the people. For Y people, 6 times the Y number of people is the total number of money taken in, and that's $279,700. So dollars plus dollars equals dollars, and people plus people equals people. The units on the left side of the equation have to always match up to the units on the right side of the equation. So we have to solve this system by elimination. So we have here equation number 1, X plus Y is 36,000, and equation number 2, 13X plus 6Y equals 279,000. That's in a money, and this is in people. So we're going to, as a habit, I eliminate the Y first. So I need to get a -6 here to cancel out with the 6Y there. So I hit -6 onto equation 1, and the strategy, and I'm going to add it to equation 2, and good things are going to happen. So the move of -6 times equation 1, putting -6 on the X, -6 times the Y, -6 times the 36,000 is -216,000. Now I'm finishing off the move of doing the goal, which is -6 times equation 1 plus equation number 2. And there's your right up there. Here's the new equation 1, modified by multiplying by -6 throughout. Here's the original equation 2. We can add those straight down. -6x plus 13x is 7x. The y's cancel out, that's why we did it. You add these two numbers up, and you get 63,000. Divide by 7 on both sides. It gives you x equals 9,000, and that's people. Now we need to find the y. So we go back and we look through the equations, and the easiest one looks like equation number 1, which is x plus y equals 36,000. So we sub the 9,000 people right in there for x. And so 9,000 plus y is 36,000. Subtract 9,000 from both sides, and y ends up being 27,000 people. But we're not done. You always have to write the answer in terms of the story. So 9,000 paid $13. If you forget, you go back to your definitions of what y was and what x was and what y was. X is the number that paid 13, and x turned out to be 9,000. So 9,000 paid $13, and 27,000 paid $6. And I really should have put people in here. People, people. Okay.